Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my class on MS Excel. And in this class, we are going to discuss very important component, which is called advanced filter. So, guys, I believe you all are well aware about the working on filter and short command. In case if you have little bit doubt on that part, so before I start advanced filter, let's discuss little bit about short command and filter command. Now, shortcut key for putting filter already I have mentioned here. So this is the shortcut key to put filter, that is Alt plus D plus F plus F. While the shortcut key to put short is Alt plus D plus S. So here, suppose you have a data and this data is about there's a company called XYZ company where different employees are working. Around how many employees? Around 24 employees are working in this company. Now these employees are working under different branches. They are working under marketing, HR, operation, system, accounts. These branches, these people are working, and they have team leaders like Shahrukh, Ritik, Salman, Amir, Amitabh. These are the name of this team leader. The These are the Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 quarterly sales data. Okay, so these are the totally quarterly sales data, and these people, this is their date of birth. Okay, everyone. So, like, if you want each person sales data, so the if you want each person sales data, like total sales, if you want. So, what is total sale? If I want each person total sale data, so I can use a function called sum. Open bracket. I can start selecting the data from here till here, and like that way I can do this. So in pivot table, all this process would be very easy if you go into pivot table, you know. But here, since because we are not into pivot table, and that is again not the objective right now to discuss about pivot table. So manually we can find the total sales like this. I think nobody have any doubt on that part. So let's put comma to better understand these numbers, because too many digits make us confused. So we put comma so that looks better for us. Okay, fine. So so when we see this number, so now we saw the number. Now it look much more better for us. Fine. Now to put filter, if I want to put filter, I can use Alt DFF. Then I can, if I go to team leader, so I can see under team leader Amitabh. So how many people are working? So you can see these people are working under Amitabh. Fine. So so basic, you know how to use filter command like the same way. If you don't know, then I'm doing for you. Suppose for branch, so like for the branch finance, how many people are working? You can see this. Three people are working. Two are working under Ritik, and one is working under Amir. Fine. Then, so I hope you understood this. Now you can go to this. You can see the short command is also there. So whenever you use filter and go inside the filter window, shorting is also there always. So if you want to short the team leader from A to Z, that also you can do. So anyhow you can do the shorting, or you can use Alt DS. So you can do, okay, short by branch. You can put branch, so branch A to Z, and then an add level. So after branch, short by team leader. So you can do, so first preference it will give a sorting by branch A to Z, and then it will give preference within the branch. Then it will sort the team leaders in A to Z. So you can see first preference given to like A to Z. So you can see accountancy, finance. Now within accountancy, you can see they are arranged in alphabetical order. First Amir, then Ritik, then Salman, then Saru. Like the same way in finance, you can do the same thing. I hope you got the logic. So you can use filter command, you can use short command, all this very well. Now suppose if I want the data for all the people who are working under Amir. So suppose here I want the data for all the people who are working under Amir. Fine. Suppose here, maybe on T9, I want all the data of all the people who are working under Amir. So what I can do, I can go to team leader, and there I remove select all, click on Amir, press OK. So I got all the people name. Now I'll copy them. Now I'll copy them. Now I can copy them. Now I can copy them. So because they are the part of table, so pasting them also will not be a problem. Pasting them will not be a problem. So copy them. So because this is a part of table, so individual copy is happening. So you can do that work, manual work you can do. Fine. Manual work you can do this. Otherwise, select this, press F5, press F5, go to spatial. Here, click on visible cell only, press OK, Control C, okay, and then Control V. Again, Control V. Fine. So now when I was pasting this, so when I'm pasting this, you can ignore this. So suppose these are the data, you can see this data. First select them, select them, then function F5, go to spatial, visible cells only, OK, Control C, then Control V. There's a problem because I guess because of this column number. So ignore column number. So you just copy this data, Control C, okay, or you can ignore copy first. Function F5, go to spatial, visible cells only, Control C. Now you can come here, you can do Control V. So see, you can see this pasting is getting a problem. So now I'm facing problem in doing pasting this data. So certain time, because the data is in here, their table is there. So now I'm getting problem because I want to paste this data. So again, this data is coming like this. So this is a problem what I'm facing. So just clear all format. So just do it. So now these issues can happen because you have data under table. So even then you have data under table. So you are trying to copy the data, but it's not happening properly. So what you can do, so you can take the help of advanced filter. So if you take the help of advanced filter, this problem, the constraint, the the problem what we are facing to get the data of all the people who are working under team leader Amit, that will not happen. So put your cursor inside this table, go to data, under data advanced, okay, under, so the shortcut key for that is Alt AQ. So list range, this is the list range, the table. Criteria range, what is your criteria range? So your criteria range, this is your criteria range. Your criteria range is team leader Amir. And then here click on copy to another location. If you click on filter to the list in place, then your data will be like, your data will come here only, like the way how we use filter. Okay, like the way we use filter, like the same way the data will come like this. Okay, so now I don't wanted to do this, I want to put the data there. So the shortcut key to do advanced filter is Alt AQ. So the advanced filter shortcut, advanced filter shortcut key, advanced filter, advanced filter. The shortcut key is Alt AQ, Alt AQ. So what you do? So put your cursor within the data, within the table where data is there. Okay, then press Alt AQ. So press Alt AQ. Okay, list range, already your data will be selected. Criteria range. So what is your criteria range? So your criteria range is team leader Amir. Okay, then put copy to another location, copy to where you want to copy it. You want to copy it here. Okay, and press OK. You can see all the data came like this. So in case if you find this, so you can just double click here. You will get all the data like this. Clear everyone? Hmm. Clear everyone? So control Z does not happen here. Now suppose I don't wanted these hindrances. So what I could have done, remove this formatting part. To remove this formatting, go to home, under home, clear all formats. So what I can do, let do a proper boundary. Let do a proper boundary of this data. Let do a proper boundary for this data. So let me do the proper boundary for this data. Just select this. Okay, copy this. Now I'll do a proper boundary, Alt ESW. With this I got a proper boundary. Okay, now pasting would be very comfortable for me. I'm putting my cursor within this table, Alt AQ. Okay, then this list range is the table. Criteria range, what is my criteria range? Team leader Amir, this is my criteria range. Okay, then you copy to another location. Copy where I want to copy it. I want to copy it here. Okay, then okay. Now you can see. Now you can see there's no hassle. There's no hassle you are facing now. So on double clicking, doing the column with adjustment, all that not required. Everything become very feasible now. I hope you understood this. I don't think anybody would find any difficulty. It became very easy now. Clear everyone? This part you clear? Now same thing, team leader Amir. Now the same data I want in another column, another workbook. Now the same data I want in another workbook. Control N for the another workbook. Here suppose I want this. So Alt ES W, then Control V. So team leader Amir, suppose here I want the data. Okay, so here I want data. So first I'll just do this, copy this, Control C, and then here Alt ESW. Control C, paste, paste spatial, column width. Okay, everyone. Now what you do here, put your cursor here somewhere here, wherever you want. Okay, Okay, then Alt AQ. Okay, list range. What is a list range? Your list range is that table. Your list range is that table. So select this table. Control Shift right arrow down arrow. Select this table. So you selected this table. Criteria range. What is your criteria range? Team leader Amir. This is your criteria range. Okay, then copy to another location. Copy to where you want copy. You want copy here. Okay, press OK. You can see you got the same data. I hope this is clear with you. So, so you can copy, you can put the data within the same worksheet, or you can put into another worksheet also. So this is advanced filter command. You can use advanced filter command like this. Now what I want now, under team leader Amir, I want those who are doing accounting work. Okay, so if I check here, all DFF. So under, maybe let take some other team leader. Let take Ritik. So under Ritik, how many are doing finance job? So under Ritik, finance. So under Ritik, suppose if I say finance, so I'm just taking selecting these two. I'm selecting these two. Okay. Now I want them here. Fine. So I want them here. So what I'll do here, so don't put your cursor in this workbook, put your cursor in where you want. I want here, I want here. So put your cursor here, then do Alt AQ. Okay, list range, go to that table, go to that table, go to that table. Okay, you selected the table. Then criteria range, what is your criteria? Criteria range, criteria range. This is your criteria range. Copy to another location. Where to copy? Here to copy. Press OK. So you can see those people who are working under Ritik Finance, you got the value. So earlier I took one condition. Now here I have taken two conditions. Team leader Ritik, branch finance. So team leader Ritik, branch finance. I got both the data. So this is advanced filter. Then now here, suppose these are the date of birth. So I can do Alt DS. So Alt DS to delete levels. Okay, so here date of birth. Okay, so oldest to newest. I arrange them on the basis of the date of birth. Now I want to know those people who are born in 2013. Okay, so I want all the people who are born in 2013. Means after, who are born after 31st December 2002. I want all the employee. I want all employee. I want all employees. All employees born after 31st December 31st December 2011. Okay. All the employees who were born after 31st December 2012. Suppose I want the detail of all the employees who were born after 31st December 2012. Okay, everyone. So for this, what I'll do, I'll just take DOB, date of birth. Here I'll write greater than 31st December 2002. Fine, everyone. So let's try this. So Alt AQ, Alt AQ. So go to the table, go to the table. go to this table, then criteria range. What is your criteria range? Date of birth greater than 31st December 2012. Okay, so copy to another location where you want to copy. Suppose I want to copy it here. Press OK. Okay, so 31st here, imagine, just let do this. There may be some data error, maybe the space. Okay, let's first try this all T. So greater than 31st December 2012. Okay, all T. Remove this simply like this. So alt A. Okay, so select this, control shift right arrow down arrow, criteria range, this is your criteria range, date of birth greater than 2012. Okay, first let's do this, filter the in. So database or table range is not valid. So some mistake I'm doing while putting the date. One minute. So here let me. One minute. Alt AQ. Okay. Then this is a range. Criteria range. What is your criteria range? Criteria range greater than 31st December 2011. Okay. Reference is not valid. So 31st December 2012. Or here anything. 2002 2013. 2002 2013. 2002 2002 2013. Okay, let's try, maybe let's try this all AQ, then table range, then table range, control shift right arrow down arrow, then criteria range is date of birth 22 2013. Okay, and copy to another location. Okay, and where you want to copy, maybe here, press OK. So no data is coming for this. Let's first delete this. So date of birth. Okay. Date of birth equal to 2002 2013. Okay, alt AQ, list range. Then criteria range. This is your criteria range. One minute. Here I change the date. This alt AQ. Criteria range. Date of birth 22/02/2013. Filter to another location. Press OK. So you got this Yamini. So Yamini was born on 24th 2013. Okay, this is fine. So this function is fine. So you got any particular date if you want. You got this. Now all the people who are born less than this date, alt AQ, list range. Criteria range. Copy to another location where you want to copy here. Press OK. So just less than or greater than is not working. So you can ignore this less than or greater than particular date. Okay, now you can remove this formatting, clear format. Then what you can do beyond it, suppose total sales. If I see total sales, if I see total sale, or AQ, criteria, total sale, this much, just one data I want, copy to where, copy to 1 minute. So put your cursor inside this. Alt A Q. So you selected this criteria range. This is your criteria range, and copy to another location. So copy to where you want. You can put it there. Press OK. So you can put one Alt A Q list. So this is the table. I think this complete selected criteria range. So this is your criteria range. Copy to another location. So you got this data. So the total sale was this much. You got this. Now if I see the sales data, if I see the sales data, Alt DS, if I see the sales data, if I see the sales data, so if I say I want all the sales which are greater than 1104 1104 000. I want all the sales greater than this. Okay, so put your cursor inside Alt A Q. Okay, then criteria range. This is your criteria range, and copy to other location where you want. Here, press OK. So you got all the sales value. You can see this, which is greater than this. So all the sales value which is greater than 11 lakh, you can see this. All the data. If I say less than 11 lakh, if I say less than 11 lakh, same question I can select total sales. I want total sales data which are less than 11 lakh. Here I'll say less than 11 lakh. Okay. So put your cursor inside the table. Put your cursor inside the table. So Alt A Q criteria range. So your criteria range. This is your criteria range. Copy to other location. Click where you want to copy. Put it here. Press OK. You can see there's only one person called Tanay whose sale is 10,45,000. Okay, you can see there's only one person called Tanay. Rest everyone's sale is more than that. Let me try date of birth also here. So date of birth DOB. So this date function is not working. So greater than, okay, 2203 2012. Okay, okay. So put your cursor inside Alt A Q, criteria range. What is your criteria range? This is your criteria range. Copy to another location where you want. Suppose where you want. Suppose I will put it here because simply because space problem. So press OK. So here it's working. There's no problem. Fine. So let's take one column DOB greater than 23rd March 2014. Fine. So Alt A, Alt A, OK, press OK. User range, select this data, Control Shift right arrow, down arrow, select this data, then criteria range. This is your criteria range. Copy to another location where you want here. Press OK. Again, the same problem is happening here, but within the workbook it was happening. So let me just copy this somewhere else. Let me copy this Excel file somewhere else. So just copy this. Control C, Control N, Alt ES W, Control V. Okay, everyone. So take this DOB, date of birth, DOB greater than 6 12 2012. Okay, so put your cursor inside. Alt AQ, data is selected. Criteria range DOB greater than 6/12 2012. Let's see this. So Date of birth greater than 6/12/2013 if you see all DFF. Six 2013. So you can see this 6/12/2013. You have all this data from starting from here. Now you can see this. Put your cursor inside. Alt AQ. Now criteria range, select this table, select this date, then copy to another location, copy to, click here, press OK. So Alt AQ, criteria range, date of birth greater than 6/12/2013. So don't put space here. Don't put space here. So put your cursor inside. Alt AQ, list range, criteria range, select the date, copy to another location where you want. I want here, press OK. So you got all the person whose date of birth is more than 6/12/2013. So you have to edit this. So you can see all the people, the date of birth is more than 6/12/2013. Now same thing, let me put in another workbook. Alt AQ, select the complete, Control Shift right arrow down arrow. Date of birth, don't put space there, copy to here, press OK. So you got here all the people whose date of birth is greater than 6/12/2013. Only thing I was putting space between the less than or greater than sign. Don't put that, so there won't be any problem. You have this formatting problem. You have this formatting problem. So what you can do? So for this, let first change the date. Okay, let first change the date. Let put, so remove all formatting. Clear all. So suppose if I write DOB, then less than 6/12/2013. Okay. Now Alt A Then list range, list range. This is your data. This is your data. Control shift right arrow, down arrow. Then criteria range. This is your criteria range. Okay. Where to copy it? Here to copy. Yeah. Okay. Then okay. So you got all the person who's born before 6/12/2013. You can see all the person who's born before 6/12/2013. You can see. So the last person was born on 29th April. So guys, I hope you understood the concept of advanced filter. That was the intention of this class, to discuss the basic concepts on advanced print filter. While using this, make sure don't put the date of birth like this. So when you put in the date of birth, there should not be space here. There should not be any space here. So there should not be space here. So serial number. So so there should not be any space here. So let's try this also. Alt AQ list range. Control shift right arrow, down arrow. Criteria. This is your criteria. There should not be any space. Then copy to which location. Okay, so location is already defined. That's okay. So you got those who were born after 23rd March 2014. Those who were born after 23rd March 2014. You can see all these people are born after 23rd March 2014. So don't put space in your date of birth. Between the inequality sign and the date, don't put space. So guys, I hope you understood what all we have done in this class. That was the intention of this class. I hope this was learning for all of you. So if you have liked the class, don't forget to click on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to learn and to understand Excel in much more better way. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Bye.